In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix Fall Guys connection error. Now, first thing you want to do is go to Epic Games. I'll show this example for this game. You can follow the same steps for Fall Guys. Click on these three dots, click Manage, and then here you'll see Verify Files. Click on it and then wait a few minutes. And once it's done, you want to make sure the launch options is turned off. And then you want to close this down, then minimize this. Now here, go to CMD and then run as administrator. So here there's some few commands you can type in here. The first one is this one. So write this first command, ipconfig/renew, and then press enter. Then the second command, ipconfig/flushdns. And then a third command, ipconfig/release. Then once done, you can close this down. Now, next thing you want to do is go to internet, and here you will type in is Fall Guys down. So write this down and go to this website. Now, if it's down, so let me just go here. If it's down, you should see something like a spike in these data. This will tell you if the servers are down, and if they are, then you will just have to wait for them to fix the servers and you should be able to use the game again. So if that's not the case, then go here, right click, go to settings, go to your internet, and then go to DNS, manual, enable IPv4, then here type in 8.8.8.8. over here type 8.8.4.4, then press save, and after that this should fix your issue.